let's go.
Where do I start?
About the numbers.
About the numbers. Okay, every of this building has a number, a yellow number on every building. We started, or your coffee you had in building number 1, so it's the oldest building, built in 1942, and it was the first fabrication building here in Blaser-Switzloop, or at Blaser. Here is the building number 8. This is the administration, built in the 60s and extended on top to 7 or 8 floors in the 1980s. It's 24 meters high about. Then the first stop we will have in the technology center, and it's not actually not it's the end of the tour usually, because we are so proud, because this is like something like the soul of Blaser-Switzloop. We were the first in the beginning of this century, 2004 about, to start with a technology center, machine tools, machining centers, and test our coolants in the technology center. In the meantime, we have 1, 2, 3, 4 machine tools, machining centers here in the building number 10. So actually this is the latest constructed building. We have to go up now to floor